Okay, so kita sekarang di Starz Valley Nilai, waiting for my tenant to clean up the house. Okay, so basically this apartment ada macam-macam bola cantik. This is the lift lobby area. This is the corridor into the house. Okay guys, this is my Starz Valley rental unit studio. Can fit 2 people. So I just got this back from my tenant, and basically we actually spent like around 2 hours just to clean up the rubbish. He was here, he was very apologetic, but yeah, as you see, the unit has been neglected, or I mean basically before I can get somebody to come in, I would need to do some repainting and some refurbishment done on this unit basically. Yep, cleaning, right? So when the cleaning has happened, this unit should be good as new. Okay, so if you're interested to rent, let me know. It's basically in Starz Valley Nilai. This unit has a good view, all the greenery there. So far no projects, no new condos yet in the area. Okay, so if you live near, if you need a room, if you need lodging nearby Inti College or nearby the airport, this is the place that would be. Okay, I'll update with another video once I get the room cleaned up, and if you have any queries, don't be shy to give me a call, WhatsApp. Okay, so I have units in Nilai, Cyberjaya, Bandar Sunway, and also in Desaru, Johor. Alright, so don't be a stranger, give me a message. Bye.